Hello, myself Professor Sunanda Malode, Department of Pharmacognosy. Today I am going to discuss on tannins. The tannins, the tannins which is obtained from the plants, and the tannins it is a secondary metabolites. Plants produce a vast number of different chemical compounds such as the primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. The primary metabolites which are essential for plants their growth and metabolism. The secondary metabolites are the products that are considered as a waste product of the plants, and these secondary metabolites are not essential for their growth and metabolism of the plants. The tannins which is a phytoconstituent of the plants, which is obtained by after extraction by any other suitable method and isolation of phytopharmaceuticals. The tannins, these are the complex natural organic compounds that are polyphenolic polyhydroxy benzoic derivative or flavonol derivative having astringent action. They are widely distributed in nature such as leaves, root, bark, immature fruits, but they are disappear during ripening processes. The tannins, they protect the plants from the herbivorous animals, insects, bacteria and other, especially during growth, like in new leaves which contain the high percentage of the tannins. The tannins which is a high molecular weight compounds, but the some tannins which is a low molecular weight compounds. Next, definition of the tannins. The tannins, it is a complex organic non-nitrogenous polyphenolic substances of the high molecular weight compound. They are used as antiseptics and it is used as also used in gastrointestinal diseases like the diarrhea and also used in leather industries. Next, properties of the tannins. The tannins, which is a pale yellow to light brown red amorphous substances widely distributed in plants. The tannins are soluble in water, alcohol, dilute alkaloids, glycerin and acetone, but are the insoluble in the organic solvents such as the benzene, ether and chloroform. The tannin should possess tanning properties. Tannins with ferric salt give the blue, black, violet or green color. In aqueous solution, tannins produce acidic reaction. The tannins have a astringent property. The tannin, they are the precipitated by alkaloids, gelatin, salt of heavy metals, proteins and enzymes. The tannin give the tea astringency, color and flavor. The tannins are the phenol glycosides. Next, classification of the tannins. Based on the identity of phenolic nuclei and the linkage of the tannins, the tannins are classified into the two main types, that is the true tannins and pseudo tannins. The true tannins, it is a high molecular weight compound and pseudo tannins, it is a low molecular weight compound. After that, the true tannins, it is divided into the three types, that is the hydrosoluble tannins, condensed tannins and complex tannins. First, hydrosoluble tannins. As the name indicates, these tannins are hydrolyzed by acids or enzymes quickly, and the products of hydrolysis are gallic acid or ellagic acid. The hydrosoluble tannins, their structures composed with several polyphenolic acid molecules such as a gallic acid and ellagic acid. Based on the phenolic acid produced, the hydrosoluble tannins are classified into the gallotannins and ellagitannins. Therefore, the gallic acid is a hydrosoluble product of the gallotannins, And ellagic acid, it is a hydrolysable product of the ellagic tannins. And on dry distillation, gallic acid and other components get converted into the pyrogalol. They respond to ferric chloride solution, producing the blue color. The example of the hydrolysable tannins are the myrobalan, behera, arjuna, tannic acid and amla. Next, condensed tannins. These tannins, it is also known as a non-hydrolysable tannins, phlobatannins and proanthocyanidin. These tannins, it is a much resistant to hydrolysis. Unlike the hydrolysable tannin, on treatment with enzymes or mineral acids, they are polymerized or decomposed into a red color substances called phlobophenes, which are insoluble in water and indicate the typical brownish red color of many plants or drugs colors. On dry distillation, they yields catechol. The condensed tannins, which is a flavonol derivative, such as the flavon 3-ol like the catechin and flavon 4-ol like the leucocyanidin. The condensed tannins, it is found in a bark such as a cinnamon, cinchona and wild cherry bark. The phlobotannins, it is found in a cinnamon bark. Then cinchotannin, it is found in a cinchona bark. It is also found in the seeds like the cola seeds, in which the cola catechin it is found. After that, in leaves like the tea. The condensed tannins produce a dark green color with FeCl3. They also produce catechol with concentrated HCl and vanillin. The example of the condensed tannins, it is Ashoka bark, black catechu and pale catechu. Last type, it is a third type, pseudotannins. They are subgroup of tannins because they do not obey the Goldbeater skin test. The Goldbeater skin test, it is an identification test of the tannins. These tannins, which is a low molecular weight compound, they are found mainly dead tissues and dying cells of plants. The pseudotannins occur as a gallic acid like the rhubarb rhizomes, as a catechin like in acacia, and as a chlorogenic acid like in a coffee. Next, chemical test of tannins. The first, the test with the ferric chloride. Upon addition of ferric chloride solution in aqueous solution of tannins, the hydrolysable tannin gives a dark blue color and the non-hydrolysable tannin develop the dark green color. Next test, tannins form precipitate with alkaloids, gelatin, protein and salt of heavy metals like the lead acetate and copper acetate. Next test, tannin extract yields yellow color with sulfuric acid. After that, when vanillin HCl reagent is added in tannin solution, red to pink color forms. Next, general extraction. The extraction in which the various types of the methods of extraction depending upon the source of tannins are employed. Both hydrolysable and condensed tannins are water and alcohol soluble but insoluble in organic solvent. Hence, the tannins containing compounds such as gallic acid, ellagic acid or other tannins are extracted with using water or alcohol as a solvent. Chloroform containing drugs are removed through ether extraction. After that, collect the aqueous layer and concentrate it. After that, get the crude extract of tannins. Next, function of the tannins. The tannins, it is used as antidote. Next, also it is used as antiseptic, astringent, which is have the astringent properties. It is also used in the ink manufacturing industries. They use as a preservatives. The tannins used as a vegetable tanning. and that they are used to inhibit the lipid peroxidation and plasmin, and they are also used in a lipolysis in a fat cells. Thank you.